When you're using your Samsung Galaxy phone and if you would like to connect to any other device using Bluetooth player by scanning, how do you do that? I'm going to show it to you in this video. If you want to connect to one of the device which is nearby to you and using Bluetooth, obviously you have to turn on Bluetooth first on your device. For that, you have to get into settings or under this icons itself you can turn on your Bluetooth. I'm going to show it to you on my settings. So go to settings, and after going to settings you'll have connections in the settings menu, and go and tap on these settings connections on Samsung Galaxy. So once you are into connections on your Samsung Galaxy, you'll have several options here. One of the option also would be for turning on or toggling Bluetooth. Just enable this one, and now your mobile is turned on with Bluetooth. If you want to connect to another of the Bluetooth place which is nearby to you, just go and tap on this Bluetooth. It will show you whichever the devices you have already been connected to by pairing, and it will also show you available devices. If you want to go and do something else beyond this one, always there would be an option for scanning, and wherein you can go and scan this one. Let's see. Once you scroll down from that one, you'll have an option to scan here. So like this, once you scroll down, you'll have under the Bluetooth the scan option. Just go and scan it, so that whatever the devices available will be shown to you after your scanning. See, let's 1, 2, and another device, a third one is shown to you. And if you want to connect one of these devices, what you can do, obviously you have to go and touch here or touch here, so that this is asking an app to be installed. If you want to go and connect with Toshiba TV with mic, this will be asking for the pairing. The pairing will happen, and if it is using some kind of code, that will show you passkey, which you have to give it to that passkey to that particular device wherein it want to connect to you through Bluetooth. Once you are entering this passkey, obviously these two devices, the Samsung Galaxy and that one, will be paid. Now I have not given with Toshiba TV immediately, that is not paid. If you give it, obviously your TV will be connected to you by using that pairing code. That's so simple, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.